Are you just gonna sit there and watch people earn hundreds of dollars worth of bitcoins absolutely free by doing nothing more than just clicking a few buttons? Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are someone who has not realized that the world is quickly shifting from traditional money to cryptocurrency and you have no cryptocurrency right now, this video is a great opportunity for you to earn some quick bitcoins for free. You just need a laptop, Android or iPhone, and active internet connection. And within minutes you will start getting bitcoins in your own personal wallet. If you want to learn the best 7 websites that are giving thousands of dollars of free bitcoin every day, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification. 1 Dutchy Corp. You can find it on the link autofaucet.dutchicop.space. If you sign up using a referral link, you will get extra rewards. 2 Faucet Crypto. The link is faucetcrypto.com. It's been around for a while, but they've recently changed their layout, and now it's a cool, pleasant, easy on the eyes website. It looks really catchy now. If you regularly watch Ptc ads on different sites, then you must have seen Faucet Crypto's ad. They're promoting their new look and it's working. 3 Idle Empire. It's a very old website. They've been giving free money to their users for over 5 years now. It's a bit like freeskins.com because you can use your points to get skins for your favorite games. There are plenty of ways to log in, and there are plenty of ways to redeem your gifts. You can get bitcoins, other cryptocurrencies, game skins, and they offer plenty of gift card options too. You can even convert to euro. 4 Bitbits.com. It's a new advertisement and multi-coin site. What's special about it is that it has 3 faucets. A normal faucet, it has 10 minutes timer for reclaiming. A fast faucet, it has 3 minutes timer for reclaiming, and an auto one that goes for 30 seconds and lets you claim half a coin, but you can't do more than 100 claims a day. 5 Adk. The link is a.adk.top/. This is not a Bitcoin faucet or a Bitcoin miner, it just gives you bitcoins for viewing web pages, mostly Bitcoin sites. It's very easy. Adk will give you a link, you open that web page and that's all, you don't even have to stay at that page. 6 CoinPayu. The link is coinpayu.com. One of the main ways to earn here is by watching ads. Once you've logged in, you'll notice it is fairly easy to navigate on the site and find your way around, which is great. Once you click on a link, it will open up a new tab on your browser and will take you to the website. 7 Cointplay. Cointplay.com is one of the best micro-earnings websites. It is a next-generation Bitcoin rewards platform. Watch this video till the end because we have done great research to bring these websites to you. Every single website is a top one giving people great free rewards. Don't forget that I am giving away 0.01 Bitcoin every single day. To participate, simply like, subscribe, comment below and watch this video all the way to the end. And I will choose 5 best comments. Best of luck to you all. Let's begin. 1 Dutchy Corporation. You can find it on the link autofaucet.dutchicop.space. If you sign up using a referral link, you will get extra rewards. This is a big site. It has got a lot of offers. If you are looking for one website that has got it all, then this is it. You can work here all day to earn free bitcoins. It deals in 43 different cryptos. You can earn all of them using this site. It allows for withdrawal methods through Coinbase, FaucetPay.io, Express Crypto and directly through the blockchain. So, after you have signed up, you are taken to the dashboard. It shows the different cryptocurrencies you can earn free. This site works with Dutchies. Think of it as energy. The more Dutchies you have, the longer you can do mining to get free bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Let's see how the mining is done. First, select a payment mode. You can choose to keep the payment in Dutchy Corp's wallet or you can get it in Express Crypto wallet. Then choose how long you want to run. Running 4 minutes costs the least Dutchies. So, that's recommended. This means, it will run for 4 minutes using Dutchies and it will mine your coins. Select the cryptocurrency you want to get. You can choose up to 5 in the beginning, but you can choose more when you have reached a higher level. Now press Start Auto Faucet. Auto Faucet will start running. It will run in 4-minute loops. It will run again and again until your duchies are finished. At the end of it, you can check your wallet, you've got the Santoshis. The good thing about this is you can let the faucets run in the background. And meanwhile use the other methods on this site to earn duchies. They've got short links, offer walls, PTC wall contests, games. A whole lot of stuff that you can do, and they got more links in ads than most of the faucets around. For instance, the PTC wall has 20 to 30 ads a day, which is a lot. Run the ad for 10 seconds, then they have their own verification method, where it asks you one of the 5 symbols to click, press claim, and boost up your duchies. Let's rank it. The profit you can earn for the time you spend is as good as a faucet can give. The minimum payout is 250 satoshis, which is very good, and it's an authentic site with lots of payment proofs around. In short, pretty good all under one roof kind of faucet. If you think you will try this site, it's been around for a while, but they have recently changed their layout. And now it's a cool, pleasant, easy on the eyes website. It looks really catchy now. If you are regular watching PTC ads on different sites, then you must have seen Faucet Crypto's ad. They're promoting their new look and it's working. They've got over 500,000 users. They deal with 20 cryptocurrencies and their rewards are really good. Let's have a look at different ways you can earn free Bitcoin from Faucet Crypto. The first one is Faucet Claim. You can get 30 free coins through this every 30 minutes. Next is PTC Ads. You can get 10 ads daily. You can watch them and earn free coins. Then there are short links, which again gives you a free coin for watching ads. The more time you spend on the site, the better your level will get, and that will mean you can get coins for that through achievements. There's a daily achievement as well, as which gives 30 coins for free. They've got offer wall as well. Let's rate it. Time spent to Bitcoins earned ratio is good. Almost the same as any good faucet site. Minimum payout is 500 coins. And around 8 coins are equal to 1 Satoshi. Now because Bitcoin price has been on a high, so basically you can draw a minimum of 60 to 70 Satoshis. It's a legit site. One special feature of it is instant withdrawals, unlike other faucets that make you wait hours. Faucet Crypto instantly delivers to your Faucet Pay wallet. 3. Idle Empire. It's a very old website. They've been giving free money to their users for over 5 years now. It's a bit like freeskins.com, because you can use your points to get skins for your favorite games. There are plenty of ways to log in and there are plenty of ways to redeem your gifts. You can get bitcoins, other cryptocurrencies, game skins, and they offer plenty of gift card options as well. You can even convert to euro. It's got 6 ways to make money, more or less the same as the other sites. Surveys, offer walls, offers, videos, referrals, and promotions, but they have categorized each separately, which gives it a nice clean look, and it's very easy to understand for someone who's just starting to use these Bitcoin faucets. It also offers a $30 bonus every week to the user who's done the best, $20 to the second best, $10 to the third one. Also give you a bonus if you promote them on your social media account. Overall, the time to spend on money earned ratio is good. Minimum payout is 1000 points, which are equal to around 800 satoshis. This sounds high, but you get 500 coins right away when you log in if you put in a referral code. And sometimes they give you a code for free. It's a legit site. Good layout, easy to use. Thumbs up from us. Please comment with the thumbs up sign if you want to give it a try as well. For tbits.com. It's a new advertisement and multi-coin site. What's special about it is that it has 3 faucets. A normal faucet. It has 10-minute timer for reclaiming. A fast faucet. It has 3 minutes timer for reclaiming, and an auto one that goes for 30 seconds. And lets you claim half a coin, but you can't do more than 100 claims a day. The name PTC Bits suggests that this site will allow a lot of PTC ads, but when we signed in and selected the PTC Ads tab, it didn't show us any and asked us to come back tomorrow. Which is weird. It's got offer walls and short links as well. It shows quite a few pop-up ads, which is a bit annoying. Let's rate it. The effort to free Bitcoin earn ratio is average. The minimum payout is around 250 satoshis, which is higher than the rest of the faucets. It's authentic. There are payment proofs overall. It's still a work in progress. It's got a good layout and especially the full screen. Feature is cool 5 Add BTC. The link is r.add.btc. Top. This is not a Bitcoin faucet or a Bitcoin miner, it's just giving you Bitcoins for viewing web pages. Mostly Bitcoin sites, it's very easy. Add BTC will give you a link. You open that web page and that's all. You don't even need to stay on that page. Come back to your Add BTC page and after a short time, claim your free Bitcoins. It's a very easy way without any hassle to earn free Bitcoins. That's why it's a busy site. Let's rate it. The time spent on Bitcoins earned ratio is good. It pays a good amount of satoshis per click. The minimum payout is 3,000 satoshis. You can pay only to faucet pay or direct Bitcoin addresses. If you want to pay directly, the minimum payout is 5,000 satoshis. It has a good repute on Trustpilot. Lots of people have reviewed it and have given proof of payment. In short, if you like earning free Bitcoins every day, you must give some time to Add BTC every day. To earn around 500 quick satoshis, 6 CoinPayu. The link is www.coinpayu.com. One of the main ways to earn here is by watching ads. Once you've logged in, you'll notice it's fairly easy to navigate on the site and find your way around, which is great. Once you click on a link, it will open up a new tab on your browser and will take you to the website. This is also one of the very few sites like Add BTC where you don't have to be on the stay, but you can come back to the CoinPayu page and wait for a small counter to finish. So this is very nice and easy. You can also watch video ads. Once you click it, it will show you the list, and it will show you how much you will earn and how much of the video you have to watch to earn that. CoinPayu.com has got lots of offers on the offer wall, but also make sure to always read the conditions for each of these offers, and you can do that just by clicking and then see exactly what the conditions are here. Because sometimes the return is not enough for your time and effort. For example, if you have to download the game, you also need to play it and reach a certain level before you will get your points. So always make sure to check that. Some of the offers here can be great, but some of them are not worth it. Like other websites, CoinPayu also offers you to pay and upgrade your membership, but we will advise you to be careful about upgrading to a paid membership. We know they kind of make it look like it would be a really great investment. But trust us, we have tested hundreds of sites like this. And if you're new to this and do not really know what you're doing, you can very well end up losing money instead of making money. So if you're deciding to try this, then be prepared to invest quite a bit of time to earn anything here. And if you want to know even more about CoinPayu, or if you want to know more about sites that in our opinion give away better value for your time, watch other videos on our channel and comment to let us know what you want us to review. Let's rate CoinPayu. It pays reasonable free Bitcoins for the effort you put in. Its minimum payout is 5,000 satoshis. And it's an authentic site. 7 Cointoply. Cointoply.com is one of the best micro-earning websites. It is a next-generation Bitcoin rewards platform. It has over 1.7 million users and have paid them over 700. If you need to do surveys, complete tasks, watch videos and also get bonuses within the app that you can take advantage of. They have a very high referral percentage. It's 25, which means if you refer a friend and he/she joins, you'll get 25 of their earnings. It's got a very high minimum payout, 35,000 satoshis, but with Bitcoin being predicted to go even higher in a few months, it's better to not cash out your free Bitcoins. You can even invest them here at Cointoply. They will also give you 5% interest on 35,000 coins. Let's rate this. The time spent on the Bitcoins earned ratio is pretty good. It's the highest among all the apps and sites we've reviewed. It's totally safe and a legit site. They give you payment proofs and link to independent sites where you can go and check reviews, so it has no risk. This is it. All of these 7 websites are good and legit, and you must try them. Let us know which one do you like the best. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, because we've got more videos on how to earn free Bitcoins. Please check our channel. There are other great videos on earning free Bitcoins. We'll see you next time.